So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. A lot of you must be now worrying about whether your preparation is right, whether this preparation will help you get selected in NEET 2021, whether you are going to get an MBBS seat in a government college or not. What I want to tell you right now is, don't worry too much about the exam date. Worry about today, whether you are doing things right or not. But don't worry about the exam date. I hear some of these things. I need selection this time, sir. I've been dropping twice, thrice. After this time, my parents are not going to let me prepare for NEET. So whatever happens, I have to get selected this time. My score is stuck. I'm not able to improve my score. My syllabus is not complete. What will happen? Not much time remains in NEET 2021. I got poor marks in full syllabus tests. What should I do? Students, all of these are valid concerns. But the point is, what can you do about it today? Can you change this? Or can you do something which will help you improve your situation? Because the reality is, lot of time still remains in NEET 2021. Lot of time still remains in NEET 2021. So I want to tell you one thing. Focus on the process and don't worry about final result. What will happen finally? Don't worry about it. Focus on your hard work, forget about the result. And how can you focus on the hard work? First of all, decide what are your mock test dates. Decide what are your mock test dates. This is step one. Decide mock test dates. And decide them based on your own comfort level. Don't go by what your friends are doing, what you have heard on YouTube. You know what your speed is, how many chapters you can complete in 1 week, 2 weeks. Decide your mock tests based on that. I would recommend set up a mock test every 15 days. Decide the syllabus. If you are able to finish 10 chapters in 2 weeks, that is okay. If you are able to finish up 15 chapters in 2 weeks, that is okay. But don't go as per what someone else is doing. Go as per your own pace, what you are comfortable with. So once you have decided the mock test, you would know what the syllabus of that mock test is. Complete the syllabus. After that, do revision and then write the mock test. Step 1, step 2, step 3. After your mock test, do your postmortem. Find out what your weak areas are. You would find them out because you would be able to see what questions you got wrong. Go deep into it. Understand why you got them wrong. And before next mock test, fix up your weak areas. These are your 5 steps. These are the 5 steps you have to follow. Study regularly, 10 to 12 hours a day. Sleep properly, 7 hours a day. 2 to 3 hours of distraction. And focus on doing these 5 steps. This is what you can do today. Don't worry about the exam date. If you do these things today, I have a lot of examples of students who were not performing perfectly at this point of time before the exam, 3-4 months before the exam. And they kept working. They kept putting in the hard work. They kept working, they kept studying consistently daily, and they were able to crack NEET. You can also do it, but you have to stop worrying about the exam date. You have to worry about the process. You have to worry about what you are doing every day so that you understand your chapters better. You are able to practice mock tests better. You are able to practice questions better. You are able to revise better. You are able to complete your syllabus, and things are going to be okay. So again, what are you going to do today? 5 steps. I've explained this earlier also. Just focus on these 5 steps and you would see significant improvement compared to where you are right now. Don't worry about what your parents would do if you don't get selected, whether your score will improve or not. Things will become better if you are consistently studying for 10 to 12 hours a day plus 7 hours of sleep plus 2 to 3 hours of distraction. And follow these 5 steps I have explained. You would see improvement. Have faith in yourself. Whenever you work hard, you always get the result that you desire. All right, students.